Let's talk about exponents. Exponents give us a nice way to write down multiplying a number by itself several times. Let's look at a couple examples. First here we have 2 times 2 times 2. To write that using exponents, what we're going to do is write 2 as the base. That's the number that we're multiplying by itself. And then raise that to the third power because we're multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. So in this second example, our base is going to be 4 because we're multiplying 4 by itself, and the exponent is going to be the number of times we multiply 4 by itself. And if we count those, we have 5 4s, and so we're going to write that as 4 to the 5th power. As we saw in the example, the number that you're multiplying by itself is called the base. So here the base would be 4. And the number of times that you're multiplying that number by itself is called the exponent. So here that would be the 3. Let's do a self-check. Pause the video and see if you can answer this question. I'm going to continue assuming that you've paused the video and tried it on your own. The first one, part A, says 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. And our goal is to rewrite this using exponential notation. Well, we know that the base is going to be the number that we're multiplying by itself, so that will be 8. And the number of times 8 is multiplied by itself is 4 times. And so that will be our exponent. In part 2, we have 16 times 16. So 16 is the base, and we multiply it by itself 2 times. So 16 to the 2nd power, or sometimes we say 16 squared. In the next one, we have 7 multiplied by itself 4 times. So that will give us 7 to the 4th power. And finally, in the last one, we have 4 multiplied by itself 3 times, which gives us 4 to the 3rd power.